Okay, let us see questions number 2 here. Question number 2, we have x squared y prime plus 3xy equal to 1 divided by x, then x more than 0, and given us the initial conditions, so we have to find the particular solutions. Okay, so we need to write in terms of a standard form. We divide by x squared. Okay, so that the coefficient of dy dx is 1. So if we divide by x squared, so we have y prime is equal to dy dx. Okay, then we have plus 3x divided by x squared, so have 1 over x y, and here we have 1 over x cubed. Okay, now we identify what is the px. Px here is 3 divided by x, and then we have a qx, which is 1 over x cubed. Okay, now we find the integrating factors I of x, exponential integrate over px, 3 over x dx. Okay, now we can shift up the 3, the constant value, out of the integral. We integrate over 1 over x dx. Okay, so this is equivalent to exponential. 1 over x is natural log of x, so we have of x cubed 3. Now we can eliminate the ln, so here we have x cubed. Okay, so this is the integrating factor, and then we use the general formula here. Okay, we use this one again to find the solutions. Okay, so the general solutions is equal to y is equal to 1 over the integrating factor, and then we integrate over qx multiplied by integrating factor, and dx plus c. Okay, so this is equivalent to 1 over x cubed, and here we can cancel this, and this one we can cancel out, so we integrate with respect to dx plus c. Okay, and then we write it down. So we do the integration here. This is integration with respect to is 1 dx, so we get x plus c. Okay, we get x plus c. So y is equal to 1 over x cubed plus c over x cubed. So 1 over x squared plus c over x cubed. Now we need to find the c because we are given the initial condition. So given the initial condition, y of 1 equal to minus 1, meaning that when x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. So we substitute over here y equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1, so we have 1 for this, and then we have c. So this give us the c value, minus 1 we get minus 2. So the particular solution, okay, the particular solution is y equal to 1 over x squared, so minus 2 over x cubed. This is the particular solution.